What's up, guys? Today's video is all about using all the tools in your bag to help tell a better story. So what I'm planning on doing, I'm actually taking my dog Moody, he's a border collie. We're going to the dog park and I'm going to try and incorporate a lot of different things into helping me tell a better story. So as for the gear today, I'm taking the Nikon Z50 with the kit 16 to 50 millimeter lens, a Rode Video Micro, the GoPro Hero 8, and my new DJI Mavic Air 2. I've fallen in the trap before of purchasing gear that I just didn't need. So what I'm trying to do today is to make sure everything that I've been buying is getting used. You should do the same. Anyway, hopefully you'll enjoy, and yeah, here we go. Hey buddy.
We drove as far
What's
as we
that?
could to ignore what's around.
Go to the park? Jordan, go to the park, do stuff! Whoa, it's gonna be fun, oh yeah!
Expectation, even when we should go out to what's behind and see what will come.
And we're here at the dog park. So a couple things before I go in that I wanted to talk about. When you're vlogging, you're a solo vlogger and you've got your dog, highly recommend. I don't normally shoot with a camera strap. I don't like them, but he gets really bad at the dog park. So to keep me from dropping my camera, I've got the strap on today. Point number 2, always bring a towel. I have a towel in the back because I know he's gonna find the muddiest of mud holes and jump in that. Let's get the dog out. He is getting restless. Look at him back there. Mood. There he is. Mr. Dumb. So another thing I forgot to mention, the wonderful thing about dogs is they are always willing participants in your video making. Let's go. There he is. Are you so happy right now? Moody, are you ready to go play?
Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see what will come. But no, I bite my tongue, hoping nobody will hear. Cigarette smoke still.
He's already ditched me. He's like way that way, and I'm way this way. So what I'm gonna do now, I think I'm gonna grab the GoPro out and continue the vlog on that for a little bit. Changing to GoPro in 3, 2, 1. There we go, on the GoPro now. I can't actually see myself filming this, so I just kind of have to look at myself in the reflection on the lens. But I feel like this is more appropriate for the dog park because it's waterproof and my dog likes to get wet, he likes to get muddy. And I like to get into the action, right? Show some cool B-roll, getting close to the dog. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go find my dog and see what happens. Well, here's the Frisbee. The question is, where's the dog? Look at this stinky boy. Hi there, Moody. One of the things I really like about the GoPro is how easy it is to do time lapses. I'm actually just gonna set this up on a fence back here. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna do like a 10-15 minute time lapse and it should give you some nice cloud movement over there. Maybe see some of the dogs playing. Starting time lapse in 3, 2, 1.
When you reverse my mind.
Yeah, are you bad? Did you not listen? Yes, you are bad and you did not listen. That's why we're leaving. No, actually we're leaving because it's getting really hot and I've got a work call. So, day at the dog park done. Moody intruded on my drone flying by not listening. I was gonna try some tracking stuff, but that didn't happen. Get all my stuff. We're out of here. The saddest place in the park, the exit. Wave goodbye to the park. Don't you, Moody, don't you try and eat those bumblebees. All in all, good day at the park. I need some lunch anyway. I think I'm gonna grab a salad somewhere. All right, and I'm back at the house. I had a good time out at the park. The dog got super messy, just like I knew he would, and he was super misbehaved, as he always is. But the fact of the matter is, I had a really good time shooting. The DJI Mavic Air 2 has been a lot of fun to get to learn to fly so far, so I'm hoping I got some good drone footage. The GoPro Hero 8, I haven't used that enough, but the thing is like, it is so good. The slow motion looks so good when I was reviewing the footage. It's super convenient, easy to use. You just hit the button and it's good to go. The time-lapse features, it's so user-friendly that I definitely need to start taking it out when I film anything, because it's nothing to take with you, but it's a super powerful tool to create with. So I'm going to go edit the video, guys. I really hope you enjoy it. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
We drove as far as we could to ignore what's around.